Ergonomics risk factor in the sewing workshop. Bad posture can lead to injury risks. How you sit to sew, stand to cut can affect you now or later. Back aches is common in this business. Take care of your backs now. 1. Get a chair that enables you work without bending too much. Too high or too low chairs are not healthy. 2. Your cutting table should be proportional to your height. Not too high that you raise your arm while cutting. Not too low that you bend while cutting. 3. Get a back strap support. It works like magic. Use while working to keep your back straight. Moreover, you don't want to spoil your posture as you grow your business. You need your back and the entire body for long. Give them the needed attention.